Welcome, everyone, to this tutorial on bypassing Chrome antivirus using the LNK exploit. Today, we're going to delve into a method that might seem complex, but is actually quite straightforward when broken down into steps. Step 1. Begin by creating a new folder. You can name it anything you like. Just ensure it's easily accessible. Step 2. Now, it's time to craft your LNK file. Place it into the folder you've just created. This file will play a pivotal role in executing our exploit. Step 3. Add some random photos and videos to the folder. This step adds a layer of authenticity, making the folder appear benign at first glance. Step 4. It's time to compress the folder into a zip file. The beauty of this method is that you don't need any external software to do this. Windows comes equipped with its own zip utility. Once compressed, lock the archive with a strong password. And now, let's put our method to the test. By following these steps, you can execute the LNK exploit and bypass Chrome antivirus. However, I must emphasize the importance of using this knowledge responsibly and ethically. Always ensure that you have the appropriate permissions before testing any exploits, and never use them for malicious purposes. Security research should always be conducted within legal and ethical boundaries.